Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, teman-teman. Ayo kita membuat bunga daisy. Bunga ini terbuat dari sedotan. Ayo kita ikuti bagaimana cara membuat bunga ini selanjutnya.
Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. About others way before myself, yeah. I guess that's why I feel like I go through hell, damn. Wasting time on your dreams instead of mine, yeah. About to turn this franchise around on a dime, man. It's all about finding your right state of mind. It's all about turning the worst into fine. It's all about time and the work and the climb. From the thirst we will rise, I'm immersed in this life. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on.
Alhamdulillah, bunga kita sudah jadi. Tutorial sudah selesai. Kalau suka dengan tutorial ini silahkan klik like. Kalau ingin berlangganan tutorial saya selanjutnya, silahkan klik subscribe juga. Ada kurang lebihnya saya mohon maaf. Sekian, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Terima kasih.